Halo mahasiswa yang terpelajar, video kali ini kita akan membahas materi tentang word market. So, are you ready to study? Let's get started.
World market. International marketplace. Exercise A. Listen. People are shopping at an international market. Which markets will they visit? Number the markets from 1 to 5. There is one extra market. 1.
I want to look at some leather products. I heard the Mexican market has some really nice things.
They do. I was there last week. I bought some great sandals there.
What else did they have? Did they have any nice bags?
I don't think they had leather bags. You know, Turkey is famous for leather. I bet they have lots of leather bags at the Turkish market.
Sounds good. Let's check it out.
2.
Can I help you?
Yes. I'm looking for handmade goods. I need to buy a special gift for my niece. She's turning 5 this weekend.
Okay. Both the Canadian and the French markets sell handmade goods, clothing, toys.
Oh, yes. I saw some beautiful wooden dolls in a gift catalog from Canada once. She'd love one of those.
Well, the market is right over there, across from the Australian market.
3.
All right. I think I have almost everything we need for tonight's dinner party.
Great. Let's get going so we can start cooking.
Oh, wait. I still need to get some spices.
Oh, you're making something spicy? Mexican food, maybe?
No, I'm making Thai curry. I need some green curry spices.
I love curry. I think the market is this way.
4.
Our new apartment is going to look so great. I can't wait to get home and start decorating.
I know. We've got some really great things here. Hey, I was thinking, I saw some nice paintings back there. There was one that would look great in the living room.
Oh yeah, at the French market. Those pretty paintings with the flowers?
No, I was talking about the ones at the Australian market. The ones with the really bright colors and patterns.
Oh, those. I don't know. Well, all right. I'll go back and look at them with you.
5.
All this shopping is making me hungry. Should we stop and get something to eat?
Well, it is almost lunchtime. I think the Thai market had some little snacks and appetizers.
Too spicy for me. Hey, it's a beautiful day. Why don't we get some French bread and some cheese and go outside?
A picnic. That's a great idea. I think that market's just over there.
Listen again. What do they want to buy? Write the correct information.
Well, student, untuk menjawab poin B, kamu bisa ulangi lagi audio yang baru saja kita dengarkan dan jawablah nomor 1 sampai nomor 5. Oke, so sekarang kita lanjut ke audio berikutnya.
It's good business. Listen. Companies changed their products to sell them in different parts of the world. Write the places the products were changed for. Then check the correct changes. 1.
Campbell's Soup Company has been selling canned soup for over 100 years. Campbell's soups are easy to prepare. You just add water and heat the soup. However, the company had a problem when it tried to sell soup in the United Kingdom. Because the customers usually bought soup with water already added, they thought Campbell's soup was expensive and inconvenient, not very easy to prepare. So the company changed its soup. It added water to the soup it exported to the United Kingdom. Campbell's decided that changing the soup was easier than trying to change people's habits.
2.
One famous international company offers beach vacations around the world. On these vacations, people spend a whole week resting on the beach and don't have to go anywhere. Many Americans and Europeans love this kind of vacation. In Asia, however, this was not very popular. Many Asians prefer shorter sightseeing visits to several different places. So, to be more popular in Asia, the company changed its plan. It offered short, 3-day stays at a beach resort, followed by a tour of several countries. This helped the company sell more vacation plans to Asians.
3.
One of the most well-known companies to export around the world is McDonald's. McDonald's also changes its products for export. In India, McDonald's even changed its main product, the hamburger. Many Indians don't eat meat for religious reasons. So in India, McDonald's introduced hamburgers made without beef, a vegetarian burger for people who don't eat meat.
4.
Haagen-Dazs, the American ice cream company, had success in Japan after it changed its products. In Japan, people often think of ice cream as a treat for children. But Haagen-Dazs decided to change its products to make them more popular with Japanese adults, too. The company wanted its ice cream to be a product that adults would want to try, so it added special, new flavors that are not available in the U.S., like melon and mango coconut. Today at Haagen-Dazs shops all over Japan, you can see long lines of both children and adults waiting to try the latest flavors.
Listen again. Why did the companies change the products? Circle the correct information.
Alright, student, untuk menjawab poin B, kamu bisa mendengarkan kembali audio dengan baik supaya tidak salah menemukan jawabannya. Nah, students, sekian dulu materi kita tentang word market kali ini, dan saya harap kamu bisa memahami materi listening ini dengan baik. See you for the next meeting. Bye-bye.